Coming back through the pump now, you can hear the bleed valve open. So what's happening right now is the water's filling up. So it'll take a minute for the water to come through the top. Once it gets to the top, water will come through the bleed valve and we'll close it shut. Done. All right guys, so now we're at the final stage for today, day 2. We're gonna add a few more chemicals. Again, keeping it quite simple. So the chlorine, the acid, and some super strength granulated chlorine, just to give this a good shock. We've seen how much debris is in the bottom of the pool, so we really wanna just give this a good nudge along. Something additional that we're gonna add today is a clarifier. Now I wanna point out specifically that when you're adding a clarifier to a pool with a cartridge filter element that we've cleaned in other videos, you need to ensure you're gonna come back usually within a day, clean that cartridge filter element. If it gets forgotten, it's gonna clog your filter and they're gonna wear prematurely, which aren't covered by warranty. So we're gonna throw it in today, hopefully give us a little bit more clarity for when we come back tomorrow on day 3, and then start giving it a vacuum and getting the last of that debris out of the pool.